Faster. Yeah, well done, Jess. I think you whisked it enough now.
Okay, stop now. Maybe we can do that one now. I can do a try.
Say, Jazz, how long's left on the cakes?
I don't know. I'll go have a look.
Yay.
Oh, it's not gone beep. Yay, they're ready.
Oh, yeah. What'd you say, Jazz?
Ta-da!
Yes, I'll say there's 3 missing.
For the healthy tip, all you gotta do is use half of the icing sugar and half of the butter to make less cream topping. I'm going to do buttercream.
What are you doing, Jazz?
Time to put on the whipped buttercream.
Wow.
I've been staring at the edge of the water as long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter and come back to the water, but I try. What's happening here? You're face to face with really strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. There's no change. Open your eyes, let's begin. I know there's a lot to have. What can I say except you're welcome? It's a pull from the sea. It's okay, you're welcome. Me, you're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Just gonna take this off and put this on me.
Ta-da!
Don't forget to subscribe to see more cakes. See you next time. Bye. Ooh, Moana. Here I go.